To transfer your pattern using the light source method, place your supplies flat on a surface in this order. Your light source goes down first. I'm opting to use my iPad. Next up, I'm going to take down my pattern and I'm going to place it on top of my light source. And this is sort of where your washi tape can come into play. If you would like, you can tape your washi tape to your light source so it doesn't shift as you are tracing your pattern. And then last, we can place our fabric right on top of our pattern. This is up to your preference, but if you wanted to additionally tape your fabric to your light source so there's no extra shifting, you can do that also. Now, taping or placing washi tape on your fabric to secure your fabric in place isn't fully necessary. And one way that you can work around that is actually making like reference tracing points. And so I like to pick an area where I can get the orientation of whatever I'm tracing really well. So I'm actually going to start with the middle of this flower. And going to trace. Like this. And so because of just how this shape is, I know if I have it too low or too high, I can always just make sure I reference this area and say, okay, this is the orientation my pattern is in. So now with my pattern transferred, I can now move on to my next step and get closer to working on my embroidery.